Easy ways to keep your home show ready when you're selling. Hello everyone, this is Neeraj Khanna, your local realtor, giving you all the information what you need to make you successful in the real estate world. Well, imagine your home is being cleaned top to bottom when you're selling a property, and don't you wish you have actually a magic wand, and guess what, your house becomes spick and span again. Well, unfortunately you can't do that. But there are certain things you can always do to keep your home ready to show and to welcome all the guests to see the property or the buyers to see the property when you're selling. There's a few pointers. Number one, you can do one room at a time. Thinking about whole house, it could be very daunting, but what you can do one room at a time, it's easy to manage. And number two could be a 1 minute rule. So 1 minute rule says that if anything or cluttering happen and it can be taken care within a minute, you can prioritize and to do it right away. In that way, your house remains the same all the time. And number three could be keep the flooring first. So once it says when the floors are clean, everything else stays okay. You can always keep the floors clean all the time. Have some extra. You can always go ahead and buy some extra mops and broom or cleaners, so that you can actually give it to different family members. They can help in keeping the property nice and clean and tidy. Declutter as much as possible. And this is the cluttering is the enemy of cleaning. When the property is decluttered, everything is much easier to get it clean rather than to clean up a messy room. The thing is, you can hire a cleaning company to do the top to bottom cleaning and keep it this way every week. In that way, your house is nice, it's ready to show all the time. Keep in mind, a nicer, cleaner property can attract more buyers and pay top dollars rather than a cluttered property and it's not clean. So for any more further information, feel free to reach out 647-282-8078. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.